Now that you have your score from your Show What You Know, you're ready to start goal setting. Congratulations. So take a look at the virtual goal setting sheet. Using your scorecard from GoMath Chapter 1, Show What You Know, highlight the item number you got incorrect in the chart below. I find it easiest if you use a dual screen at this time. So it will help to create the document so that on one side of the screen you see your answer key, and on the other side of the screen you see your goal setting sheet. So as you look at your information and you see number 1 is correct, you're going to leave it alone here. Number 2, you can see on my form, I got this one incorrect, so I'm going to highlight it. I do that by highlighting over the number 2 and choosing the highlighting button right next to the letter A. And I can choose any color, but yellow usually stands out pretty easily. I can go back up here. Looking at number 3. Number 3 was also incorrect. And while I'm looking, I see that number 9 was as well. So I'm going to highlight number 3 and number 9. So I go back to my form and I highlight number 3 and number 9. Now that I have the numbers that I got incorrect highlighted, I'm going to tally the total of incorrect items from above. So I'm going to start with the number at the top. If I look here, 3OAD9, it's highlighted in blue over here so that I can easily find it. There were 2 questions for that standard, and I got one of them incorrect. So down here where it says out of 2, I got 1 out of 2 incorrect, right? That's half of them. On NBT A1 rounding, okay, I'm going to find that same color right down here. There was one question about rounding, and I got that one question incorrect. So I got 1 out of 1 incorrect. Okay. Now, if you look here on NBTA 2, I got 4, 6, 7, 5, 8, and 10. Those were all questions about that standard. I got them all correct. So I didn't get any of those incorrect. I got 0 out of 6 incorrect. That's great. And the last one, OA8, I got 1 incorrect. There was 1 possible question and I got it incorrect. So I would mark 1 out of 1 incorrect. Now, looking at this information, I'm going to look at the total of incorrect items in the table above and choose one standard in which I'd like to focus for improvement for Chapter 1. This is going to be my goal. I'm going to type that goal in the box below. So if I look here, I didn't get any incorrect in NBT A2. So I'm not going to choose this as my goal. I'm probably going to choose either NBT A1 or OA8. Now, if I look at what NBT A1 is, which is rounding, and OA8, which is solving multi-step addition and subtraction word problems, I feel that I need more practice with word problems. So I'm going to select multi-step word problems, which means that's OA8. I'm going to come down here and highlight OA8. This is my goal. Now my goal is OA8, so I'm going to solve word problems. So I'm going to say, I will solve multi-step addition and subtraction word problems. And as I look down at the bottom, it says, how will you achieve the goal? I'm going to use all those awesome resources on the NNI slide on Mrs. Chalk's website. And those are listed here.